Data-driven systems face challenges from anomalies, outliers, and missing data. The AI Edge Case Handler addresses these challenges effectively. As part of the GOD framework, it ensures reliable function under various real-world conditions. Key roles include proactive monitoring and intelligent fallback mechanisms. Purpose: the module manages edge cases and data pipelines. Key objectives include detect anomalies, identify deviations for proactive system response, handle missing data, process incomplete datasets using strategies, log and notify, provide detailed logs for event tracking, mitigate risks, activate fallbacks during critical issues. Features include anomaly detection, identify outliers using statistical methods, missing value handling, replace or remove missing values, data source validation, ensure data source accessibility, advanced logging, track operations for transparency, edge case actions, take actions like logging, notifying, or triggering fallbacks, configurable thresholds, customize anomaly detection settings, flexible input types, compatible with various formats. Role in GOD framework: it ensures AI system integrity and reliability. Contributions include system reliability, ensures seamless operation across pipelines. Proactive monitoring, detects anomalies before system failures occur. Cloud-based monitoring, centralized tracking for distributed systems. Visualization tools, dashboards for trend analysis of anomalies. Automated notifications, alert teams through various communication tools. Support for larger datasets, optimize for massive datasets efficiently. Supporting scalable AI pipelines. With planned enhancements, it will redefine edge case management in AI and data science. Transform your system's performance with the AI Edge Case Handler for future reliability.